Alright guys, so the way to get the truth quest started is you need to complete a menagerie in its fullest. When you beat the final boss, that's when you'll get the first step of the quest. Afterwards, you're going to go to Petra over here and get the next step, and in the next step you're going to have to complete an Ascendant challenge, obviously while Ascendant, and then you need to unlock one of the Ascendant chests in the Dreaming City. So if you go to right here where I am while Ascendant, it's right at the beginning of the blind well. Just follow all these platforms up and you will get to the top, and there'll be a chest that'll get you the next step of the quest ready. Then go to the Tangled Shore, the Jetsam of Saturn area where the shipyard is. You'll see a little bit farther the clip how to get to there, but after you do that, the last two steps are to go to the barge on Nessus, so the new barge area in the Watcher's Grave. There's an Ascendant chest there, so you'll need to be Ascended, and the clip to find that chest will be a little bit later in the video as well. And then the last step is to just complete a Nightfall. I completed the Warden of Nothing Nightfall with 100k and got the last step. It's not been confirmed if you need to do any other Nightfalls or if it's only the Warden of Nothing Nightfall, but I would just do the Warden of Nothing Nightfall and get 100k just to be on the safe side. It's pretty easy. We used Arcburn. Next, you're gonna be at a point where you need to do 2 more Nightfalls. There's 3 Nightfalls that you need to do, but if you do the order that I'm suggesting, the Nightfall that you just completed will complete one of the 3 that you need, so you'll just do 2 more. In those 2 Nightfalls, you need to get 60 total rocket launcher kills in the Nightfall and complete 2 Nightfalls, and you need the handicap to be at least 100 points or higher. Next, you're going to defeat Hive in the Tangled Shore. The Jetsam of Saturn area is the best area that I'd recommend. If you can get these rally flags at the public events and just go back and forth with the rocket launcher of your choosing. I used the Wardcliffe coil since it's pretty easy to get multiple kills. Once you complete that, then you need to go back to the Tangled Shore, or sorry, you need to go to Nessus and get 50 enemy kills with rocket launchers. Multi-kills will actually grant you more percentage of that quickly. So what I did was I went to the Artifacts Edge, just ran into the Lost Sector here, got multi-kills with the Wardcliffe coil, and it took maybe 3 rockets of multi-kills. So very easy with the multi-kills. And then the last step is to go back to the Dreaming City and complete a Corsair Down badge quest. To get the Corsair Down badge, what you need to do is just get any Scorn kills. So any Scorn in the Dreaming City has a chance to drop the item. It'll just look like a little consumable thing. You'll pick it up and then just complete it. And that's the last step. Once you complete the last step, you'll get the final part of the quest where you need to complete a special Warden of Nothing strike. You'll get a tinctured Queen's foil, and you need to be Ascendant the entire time. And then, as you'll see in the footage afterwards, there's a couple orb item things that you need to get in this special strike. You need only 5 of the items to unlock the platforms at the end. Once you get all 5, it'll say that all platforms are good to go. So then you just go kill the boss at the end, and where the boss starts at the end is where you'll see the platforms of the chest. So just stick around, you'll see all of the clips on all the things you need to get and the chest at the end. So just stick around, watch that, and I'll have annotations in the area below, as well as any other information that you might need. The steps will be down below in the description. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys get the truth. It's pretty fun. You'll see some clips at the end of it being used in PvP. Definitely really enjoy it for PvP. So hope you guys have a good one, and good luck.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. Close your eyes. Will you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak. Got me on delay. 'Cause across a million seas. Would you do that for me? Goddamn road 3 times, and I'd run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go.